How can patterns help you divide large multiples of 10? Think about this question during the lesson. A jet carries 18,000 passengers in 90 trips. The plane is full for each trip. How many passengers does the plane hold? What operation can be used to find how many passengers were on each trip? You can divide to find how many people were on each trip. How does knowing that the plane is full for each trip help you solve the problem? It lets you know that the same number of passengers rode in the plane on each trip. Think of a basic fact to help you find 18,000 divided by 90. How does simplifying the problem to 18 divided by 9 help? 18 divided by 9 is a basic division fact and is easier to start working with than 18,000 divided by 90. Think about multiples of 10. 180 divided by 90 is equal to 18 tens divided by 9 tens, which equals 2. 1,800 divided by 90 is equal to 180 tens divided by 9 tens, which equals 20. The pattern shows us that 18,000 divided by 90 equals 200. So, the jet can hold 200 people during each trip. 18,000 divided by 90 is equal to 1,800 tens divided by 9 tens, which equals 200. How would you check to make sure your answer is correct? You can use multiplication to check your answer. Understanding patterns of multiples of 10 can help you divide.